Hey YouTubers, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Our Place Always pan. And then we're going to do an egg test to see if it's as non-stick as they say it is. And then we're going to prepare an easy one dish meal with some game that we've harvested. Stay tuned! I know, it's funny. Ooh! Ooh! There it is. One thing I noticed right away is how light everything is. Comes with its own cleaning sponge. Here's the steamer slash colander. That pretty inside. The non-stick ceramic. And then the wooden spoon that can rest right in the hole. Yeah. And then it has a little cutout there. We went with the char colored Always pan because we have a cast iron wok and some other cookware. So we kind of wanted the two to match. So you can kind of see the char with an actual cast iron. Alright, so now I'm going to fry an egg on the Always pan without spraying it with any non-stick cooking spray or adding butter or anything. Just pan, egg, flip test. Now we're cooking with fire. Another thing I noticed, the handle is not getting hot. So my hand is right on the handle. You see how hot the pan is, but I don't feel any heat in the handle. All right, now we are going to crack an egg. Okay, I'm gonna flip this egg. So far, it is not sticking at all. So I'm going to put my spatula near where the yolk is. Look at this. Like, look at that. It is actually sliding all around. That is amazing. Just like on the commercial. Ah! Until I ruined it. That was my fault. I broke the egg. Alright, the Always pan passed the egg frying test with flying colors. It did not stick at all. I was absolutely amazed at how well it did. And as you can see, there is very, very little cleanup to do. So once she cools down, I'll wash her out gently with soap and water and the nice sponge that they provided and put her away for the next meal. Alright, it is Sunday night and we are going to make our first one pan meal in our new Always pan. And I'm going to make what I kind of call cube steak and brown gravy. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to make some egg noodles in the pan. Then I'm going to brown some cube steak from venison that we harvested ourselves, and brown some onions and mushrooms and put it all together with a brown gravy and serve it over the egg noodles and have a delicious Sunday night dinner. So we're gonna put this pan to the test. All right, the egg noodles are done, so now I'm going to take them over to the sink and lift the colander and drain them. One thing I did notice, the handle is still cool, but the little hand grasp right here is hot. So I'm gonna use a heating pad here to protect my hands. And this is cool.
Oh, wow.
All right.
That's a bunch of food.
I just got a steam bath over here. First I'm going to brown the meat, and I'm going to do it in an egg, flour, egg mixture. And I just seasoned the flour with a local all-purpose seasoning mix. Here in Florida, Everglades seasoning is really popular. All right, so we just finished up our review of the Always Pan. So we unboxed it, we did an egg test, which showed that it is truly a non-stick pan, which was really impressive. And then we made a super easy one-pot meal with some game that we harvested. And I'll tell you, overall, I just love the pan. It's lightweight. It does what it says it's gonna do. It's non-stick. We were able to brown meat with very little oil, and then the vegetables that we browned, we didn't use any additional oil. And then it cleans up like a breeze. I mean, we just wipe this thing down and it's ready to go for the next round. The only thing is, there are some hot spots. The top is cool, the handle is cool, but if you want to grab that stability on the other side of the pan, it's hot. So just keep that in mind, and that's something you'll learn when you start using the pan. But absolutely love it. Prepare yourself to see this in future episodes, so stay tuned, and we'll make some more yummy one-dish meals with our Always Pan and our game. Until next time, see you later.